What do you want? It's Sunday.
Oh yeah, I've got an idea.
I don't care. God. Come in.
Hello and welcome back to the Home Improvement channel, UK. And on today's episode, I brought Phil a pallet round his house on a Sunday.
What legend?
We have a pallet and I'm going to ask Phil to make me something. So Phil, what are you going to make me?
It's a secret.
What, you ain't going to tell me?
No.
What?
Secret. You have to find out.
That's bullshit.
First job you're always going to want to do is a hammer, some kind of crowbar or something, and you're going to want to try and take your slats off. Don't rip them off because obviously we want to try and save the wood. So tap that in, lever it like that, and we're going to turn them all upside down one at a time. Take your hammer, and then once you've pushed them all back out, you're just going to start denailing it like so. That's one piece, so now let's crack on and get all the rest up.
You're building me a fence? It looks like you're building me a fence.
Picket fence.
You're building me a picket fence?
Picket fence.
Picket fence? Look at that. How much is that worth there, Phil?
£6 grand.
It's about £6 worth of timber.
The price of lumber. I actually leave these outside now, all the tools. I just leave them in anywhere. I actually lock this up now because it's so expensive. Right, I'm going to cut two little pieces to size for secret.
So what are you saying? You're going to give me a little tip of what you're doing, Phil?
Yep, nature and spaceships. So you've got your wood off your pallet, you've made your little design, or my design, and oh,
You alright, Phil?
and that's why this next step is important.
I think the sand is a bit blocked. Fucking hell.
So, next step, get it all sanded down, otherwise you end up with a little boo-boo like me.
Just like Art Attack, but with shit heading. Here's something we made earlier. Just remember, guys, before we carry on and about to oil this wood, it's nice. Just remember, guys, to like, subscribe, hit that bell notification. Back to the video.
So next step, select whatever oil, stain, whatever you like.
What have you got, Phil?
I got what I found in the cupboard.
Because this is on a budget, Phil, isn't it?
Yeah.
Phil?
Phil? Oil wood up first, just to make life easy. Absolutely stinks like crap.
Phil's been trained in French polishing.
Yep, I'm a
Number
professional French polisher. So if you need your original bar tools restored,
Come reach me.
don't contact me. I'm fully booked for the next 17 years.
Right, we're going to ring someone. This is literally live, not cut. Look, he's right there. He's a plasterer.
He's definitely not going to answer it.
Come on, John. Answer. John! What's happening?
John, we're in the middle of a video, right? Listen to me.
This is live.
Do you want what I'm making? I can't tell you.
Show him the table.
Let me show you what's here. It's got your name written all over it.
It's rustic wood,
What are you
John.
saying? I thought so.
Yeah, what is it?
What is it, John? He don't care.
What is it, John?
Whatever it is, he wants it. I want it.
It's rustic. It's rustic and it's wood. John, I hope you know you're going in the video. Wait, wait for the camera, John.
professionally stained all of this stuff. So the next job on the list of jobs to do on the jobs is to pilot your wood, because everybody knows. So all we're going to do is finish off a pilot. Oh my word, don't wibbly wobbly like me. Like that. And then we're going to use a countersink bit. We're going to go countersink the holes, and then we'll move on.
So McDonald's is here. Come, let's go. Come on, let's go. McDonald's is here.
Tasty.
What? We're all human. We're allowed to eat, yeah? £4.
Fries.
It's turned into a food program. Right, so they're lightly salted.
Very delicious. This is why it's important, because this is old dried wood. You make sure you do your pilots, because look, it's all dried, it's all split, so you don't want to take any risks. Get a countersink bit. Preferably not in a impact driver. But what that's going to stop, it's going to stop it from splitting.
The bit we've all been waiting for.
Let's put it together. Look how simple this is. Nothing. So you've done all your little pilots.
So whatever you're building with a pallet, just make
sure you pilot and countersink the screws, because you will split the wood.
And then it's literally worthless.
No, you can still use it for fire. Stuff like that, look. That's not us, by the way. It's just all split for being dry. So you need to be careful.
Right, what is it? Can I guess? What is it?
Pretty basic if you can't guess it.
What do you mean? You can't guess it? I can't guess it. What are you doing? Can you guess what it is yet? Comment down below if you think you know.
Bet you don't. Probably won't know what it is even when it is finished.
What's that?
And this masterpiece is what I've made out of a crappy old pallet. So what does it do?
What you did? What you did? You made it?
Ain't no one wears shoes in the garden.
You made a shoe rack, blood. High five! Give it a high five. That's sick. That's actually sick. Look at that. Oh, yeah, we shouldn't actually give that to John. That's sick. And that's a wrap from the Home Improvement channel. UK. Phil's designed us a shoe rack. I didn't know. Did you guys know? Did you guys guess it? Comment down below if you did. And if you're liking our videos, please hit the like button and the subscribe button and hit the bell. Oi, oi, oi.